Today, we're comparing two popular tires, Continental's Eco Contact 6 and Michelin's Primacy 4. These tires serve different purposes with the touring and comfort segment, but it's still interesting to see how they perform head-to-head. Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Continental Eco Contact 6 set as the reference point at 100%. Let's start with wet performance, where the Michelin Primacy 4 takes a clear lead. In wet braking tests, the Primacy 4 stopped at 28.7 meters, while the Eco Contact 6 took 31.6 meters to come to a halt. That's a difference of 2.9 meters, enough to prevent a serious accident. In wet handling, the Primacy 4 completed the course in 63.8 seconds, compared to the Eco Contact 6's 66.4 seconds. Finally, in straight aquaplaning tests, the Primacy 4 began to slip at 84.9 kilometers per hour, significantly higher than the Eco Contact 6, which started slipping at 77.7 kilometers per hour. In dry conditions, the competition is closer. The Primacy 4 stopped in 33.8 meters during dry braking, just 1 meter shorter than the Eco Contact 6, which stopped at 34.8 meters. In dry handling, the Primacy 4 completed the lap in 61.3 seconds, only 0.5 seconds faster than the Eco Contact 6. When it comes to noise and comfort, the Continental Eco Contact 6 leads in subjective noise, scoring 4 out of 5, compared to the Primacy 4 score of 2 out of 5. This means the Eco Contact 6 provides a noticeably quieter ride. However, in terms of ride comfort, both tires were rated equally, showing no clear winner in this category. The Eco Contact 6 is a champion in rolling resistance, with a rating compared to the Primacy 4 rating of C. The rolling resistance coefficient value for the Eco Contact 6 was measured at 6.7, significantly lower than the Primacy 4 value of 8.1. This difference translates to better fuel efficiency, with the Eco Contact 6 achieving 5.07 liters per 100 kilometers, compared to the Primacy 4 rate of 5.29 liters per 100 kilometers. So, how do these tires compare? The Continental Eco Contact 6 excels in rolling resistance and provides a quieter ride, making it ideal for drivers prioritizing comfort and efficiency. On the other hand, the Michelin Primacy 4 shines in both wet and dry conditions, offering superior safety and handling. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.